Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. Right here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and then if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. The pillow behind me is to remind you guys about the thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, or if you're just a regular that always comes by, try at the beginning to do that for me. It is right underneath the video. If you press that thumbs up button, it will turn blue, the number will increase, and then you're helping me grow on the YouTube platform. YouTube supposedly, if they see enough of these thumbs up, they then will take my video and put it in front of other people that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had an opportunity to meet me yet. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that thumbs up for me. It really means a lot. Okay, today I'm going to be going through a couple of the add-ons that I got in my bag that I just received. But if you watch that video, I'll leave it linked down below. There was an item missing in my bag, which was one of my choice items in the IPSY Plus. I did add some add-ons in there. I added 4, and then in this last time that we had to do add-ons, normally I put all my add-ons in one bag so that I can have a separate, if I'm going to have any add-ons, that I could do a separate video of at least 5. So that to me is like making my own customized bag. And I try to do a separate video on that so that the other video doesn't go too long. With that said, there was an item missing, so my mind went towards that, and then I forgot to just even mention that I had add-ons, and there will be another video. So I'm going to share that with you now. There are 2 more add-ons that I have in my Ultimate that I never put add-ons usually in my Ultimate because that box seems to be coming very, very late, if not in the same month. So with that said, they owed me a credit that they told me I had to purchase an add-on in the Ultimate to then get an additional add-on for free. The whole thing did not work out, and I ended up trying to figure out what 2 extra items to put in there, and then it didn't take the credit that they owed me off. So I'm in conversations with them now to get that rectified. So I'm a little bit disappointed with IPSY. Now I have to deal with them again on another issue of an item that should have been in my bag that wasn't in my bag. So I apologize that my mind went elsewhere on the previous video that was missing the item that I didn't even mention that we have some add-ons here. I'm happy I got the add-ons in this bag because they are really, really exciting, and I want to share them with you guys. So if these show up in the flash sale or in any other, future add-ons, that these are ones that I think we'll swatch them, we'll see, but just from the looks of them, I'm really, really excited that I chose them. All right, so as you know, with add-ons, there's no paperwork that comes in the bag, and add-ons always go into the bag. It doesn't get shipped separately, where the flash sale items do. Okay, so the first items that I chose were from this brand called Illuminati, and I think, believe it or not, this is now one of the feature palettes in the BoxyCharm Premium for the month of October. So really excited that I got these for $3 each, because I know that palette was like almost like $50 or something like that. So gonna swatch these for you. Really, really excited that we got these. So this one is called The Secret Society, and this one is called Enlightened, and we'll go through both. Okay, and what they're saying here is these are the only 4 shadows you will need to be stunning this fall. You're looking at them. They're saying this is talk about extreme color payoff. The palette of rosy cool tone powders are highly pigmented, so you could see what's in the pan is what you'll see on your lids. The mix of mattes and shimmer textures are ideal for everything from the subtle shadow look to a full-on smoky look. It's cruelty-free, vegan-free, and it's furry friend approved. This brand is known for their trendy products. It's your go-to brand for everything new and now in the makeup world. And then, let me just see, I think I have everything here. Yeah, and the other one is warm neutral, so we're good. We got both. Okay, and then the next item that we got, I had to. This is from this brand called Le Chatelaine, and if you watched any of my previous videos, whenever these little hand creams are available, even just for $3, they are so luxurious. And this was a scent that I didn't get yet, so I'm really excited to open this up and smell this with you guys. This one is in cinnamon, what are you? It's a hand cream, it's made in France, and it is cinnamon oranges. Really, really excited to smell this. So this one also has a promo code, and as I've mentioned in all my videos, in the description box, I know a lot of girls don't do this because it is a lot of work. I put all the information in the description box, if I have links, if I have discounts, and if when we get products, they give us discounts, if we like the product, to go to the website and get discounts. All that information I do put underneath so that if you guys like it or you're interested, at least you'll have the access to the information in the description box, as well as all my links. If you use those, I tell you if I get points or things like that. So I appreciate when you use any links that are down below, but definitely the promo codes, when they give it to us in Allure or IPSY or any of them, I always try to share them with you in the description box. So always check the description box, read what's in there, because if I forget to tell you something, that's where I write all my information. So this has a 20% discount code that I'll leave, and it says, this will smooth and soften your hands in style with this chic little hand cream from one of your favorite French beauty brands. It's a nourishing shea butter and argan oil work together to deeply moisturize dry hands and eliminate cracks and flakes. It has a cinnamon orange scent that smells just as pretty as your favorite sweet and spicy perfume. This hand cream is clean as they come. The formula is made with all natural organic ingredients and it's cruelty free also. They're saying about the brand, if you are a Francophile, you'll love this brand from the south of France. All of their formulas embody the je ne sais quoi of timeless French beauty and a dash of whimsy, all in super pretty packaging. They're saying simply apply a generous amount of this cream to dry hands as you desire. So we'll definitely do that at the end after we do some swatching. The last item that I got in this bag that I had the add-ons, because I only chose 4, because I wanted to leave an extra one for that other bag. Don't even ask. Okay, so this one here is Tarte. It's the Marracuja Tinted Hydrating in Medium Neutral. I chose this. It's a really, really small sample. This reminds me of even like, you know, you might as well put it in a card in Sephora. Really, really tiny. But I chose this, and for $3, I don't think I'd recommend anyone, spending even $3 on this. It's really, really tiny. But the reason I did was there was a sale that was on with Tarte where they were giving like 5 or 8 products for like a reduced price, but you got to choose between this, this, and this. And one of the choices was this item. And I've tried a lot of Tarte products and I've enjoyed a lot of Tarte products and I recommend a lot of Tarte products. But this was one that I've never tried. So that's why I threw this in my cart. It was just to try it and to know about it so that if I was going to do one of those customized kits that Tarte does, I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to get a full side of something that I didn't know if it was going to work for me, because the Marracuja oil, and I'm a combo girl, the oil on its own is one that is too much for my skin. So I wasn't sure about this, but I love so much their BB cream that anytime they come out with any type of product, I always try it. So this was a good way for me to try it. So I chose this in medium neutral, which we'll swatch and see the color. But it says if you love a no makeup look, you're going to be obsessed with this tinted hydrator. I'm not a no makeup girl, but I do like the coverage of the BB cream, which is more full coverage than any CC cream or tinted moisturizer. So that's why I did this. So it says no need for brushes and sponges. Your fingers will work perfectly fine. I don't like putting products on with my fingers. I usually use a brush and then a sponge afterwards. Lightweight and easy to blend, this buildable formula melts seamlessly into your skin for a no-fuss application. You get 12 hours of dewy, glowy skin thanks to hydrating hyaluronic acid and the smoothing Marracuja oil. Now, for the girls that are dry skin, that sounds fantastic. For a girl that's a little combo, we get that dewy look on its own way before that 12-hour mark. So we'll have to see. So it says dealing with redness or blotchiness, soothing aloe and anti-inflammatory turmeric makes your skin look calmer and more even toned. And they're saying the brand, it says, in addition to always being on trend and innovative and totally unique, Tarte Cosmetics is committed to creating vegan-friendly, paraben-free, gluten-free. They never test on animals. It's a really great brand. And they simply say how to use it. It says apply a few dots of this tinted moisturizer to your forehead, cheeks, and chin, nose, and then blend it out using your fingers. Apply more dots for more coverage. Okay. All right, so let's start playing. All right, this has a safety seal, so let's keep our fingers crossed that we can actually even get this open. And I think we did. We're good. Okay, there we go. So let's do the first little dollop of this here. So I'm going to take very little, and you have to be very careful when you squeeze it out because a lot is in there and it's going to get wasted. So be very, careful when you open up the bottle. So let's just put this here. It has more coverage than I thought it was going to have, and it has beautiful slip to it, and that's what it looks like there. And it's funny, a lot of times the lights here might look like the color of my skin here versus the product there. My face, for some reason, I need darker colors. So sometimes on the camera, based on the powder that I use, the color that you're seeing is exactly the color that the product is, but based on my skin tone, you would think that that would be too dark for me, but for me, it's not. So that's what that color looks like here, and that is the medium neutral. And I always choose neutral if you're not familiar with skin tones when, they give you the yellow skin tone or the pink skin tone. The little underline of all of that is supposedly if you look good in silver jewelry, you're a pink undertone. If you look good in gold jewelry, you're a yellow undertone. However, if your veins are more blue than green, blue means you're cool toned, which is the pink, and green means you're more the yellow tone, so which means warm. So I have both, and both are very prominent, and I feel I look okay in both gold and silver jewelry, so that's why I always go neutral. To me, it's middle of the road, and it's the easiest way for me to always purchase, and that's what I do. All right. The next one that I want to do is, let's do the swatches. Okay, so this one is in Secret Society, and this is the one that's supposed to be the cooler palette, which I think is stunning. Stunning, stunning. Oh, just stunning. And the palette feels absolutely stunning on the hand as well. You can see there's like no fallout, nothing, and that's what the 4 shades look like here. And we'll just do it right above, yeah. They feel like silk. Really, really pretty. And I love these quads. These quads are so fantastic to just drop in your purse if you're going away for the weekend or just over to somebody's house and then you're spending the day there, and then after, the day they say, oh, let's go for dinner. And you're saying to yourself, I didn't bring anything. And you put these in your purse in a little bag, and then you always have a little something to, make your eyes look a little bit, deeper toned or something if you're going out for dinner. All right, and then the next one, if we ever go out for dinner again. This one is called Enlightened, and these are my colors all together. So really, really excited to get this. And then this is what this looks like here. Is that not stunning? Stunning, stunning. $3. That's why I love the sales that IPSY does with the add-ons and the flash and all of those. And I share those with you guys all the time because I don't want you guys to miss out. So here we go. Look at that. Is that not pretty? So these are the type that you can definitely get full coverage. I think a couple of dabs. I only think that this was, like you saw, one finger swatch, and I still have so much left over on my hands. Really, really, really pretty. So very, very excited about that. So now I'm just going to take off my rings and get rid of the stuff that's on my hands, and then we are going to give ourselves the final treatment of the hand cream from France, and then that will be what we're going to do at the end of this video. So, okay, I think we're good. I get so excited for this because these things are so expensive. If you ever bought like L'Occitane or any of those that are like from France, and even there's one box that you can never get your hands on. They're even like sold out now until I think the winter box. Like they've even passed the fall box and the summer box, the Margot boxes. And I've just given up on those. And they're really expensive, and supposedly the prices are going up. So if I can just treat myself for $3 for these, I think they're absolutely great. And these always last me a really long time, and these always are in my purse, especially when I used to travel, because you want to always make sure that you have moisturization, and especially now with all the hand washing. Oh yeah, it's really, really pretty. I've tried the one that's passion fruit and all of those, and I mean, I moisturize a lot, and you can always tell the difference when I show on camera the one that I just did versus my red, and I'm moisturized. So, I mean, it's just unbelievable. And they're not sticky. They dry down nicely. The aroma isn't overly strong, but you get that whiff, when you're washing your hands and you put a nice cream afterwards. and then you're doing something and you go like this and you can still smell it. That's what these creams, when they're made in France, I find do for me, and I really, really enjoy them. So like I said, if I can get it for $3, I will. And these were all $3. $3, $3, $3, $3. Add-ons, free shipping, was in my bag. Nothing was broken. Everything arrived. Really, really happy with that. So if you see these type of products, try, play, because for $3 is the time where you can do it. And IPSY is the only place where I find we really get to try a lot of brands that we're not familiar with in these type of sizes. And I found a lot of winners in that $3 section. So that's why I always recommend it. So if you've never done subscription boxes, the $12 IPSY bag is, you know, the sample sizes that are like this, which to me are far more than sample sizes. And you always end up usually getting a full size in there, but it gives you access to everything IPSY. It gives you access to the shopper. It gives you access to the add-ons, to the flash sales. So there's so many deals that you can get through IPSY by just having that $12 bag. So that's why I always tell everybody where to start, because it gets you into that feeling if you want to even invest $12 into getting a monthly bag or box. And that's where I started, and I really, really enjoyed it. So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. So thank you. But always during this time, it is so important that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.